Building on the previous year, this is the second annual report produced by TFW. I'd just like to take this opportunity to acknowledge that we're all living in very difficult and challenging times, and our thoughts are with those who are deeply affected. We're working through this crisis to continue to deliver for the people of Wales.
Everyone has responded really well to the coronavirus crisis, both within the organisation, but importantly, people who have been using the service have almost in every occasion followed our advice, followed the Safer campaign. We've delivered and we've worked and we've adapted, and that's as a consequence of everyone who's working for the organisation, for which I'm very grateful. So the annual report is obviously really important, both because it allows us to mark 12 months, it allows us to look back, it allows us to celebrate what we've achieved and to look forward. But it's also really important because we've said we want to be an organisation that is transparent, is open in what we do, and that is increasingly, hopefully, what people will physically see and feel when they look at us as an organisation, and that's what the annual report is all about.
What a significant year for Transport for Wales it has been. We've seen the organisation develop significantly, undertaken a number of key projects, and of course ended the year with COVID-19 and all the challenges that has brought for you, our customers and stakeholders.
Of the 581 million spent on capital, by far the largest item was the transfer of the core Valleys lines. This is to facilitate the continued transformation of CVL to benefit those travelling and using these lines.
This is a fundamental step in the creation of the South Wales Metro. The project has evolved considerably during the year, seeing the opening of the infrastructure hub at Treforest and work starting on the Metro Control Centre at Taftswell.
Bobl yn Dwyrain Cymru, mae'n garreg filltir pwysig i ddatblygu Metro De Cymru sydd yn ceisio integreiddio trafnidiaeth yn wirioneddol. Mae'r adroddiad blynyddol yn nodi'r heriau mae trafnidiaeth Cymru wedi ei goresgyn yn y flwyddyn a ddaeth i ben diwedd mis Mawrth. Mae gan trafnidiaeth Cymru dîm rhagorol a rwy'n hyderus iawn y byddant yn parhau i ymateb i'r heriau.
I hope that the people of Wales will be proud of our achievements to date and are pleased to be on the journey with us.